Thermal properties of matter. Here, the main things are there in this chapter are thermometry, solids, liquids, gases, calorimetry, and transmission of heat. So, first topic is thermometry. Thermometry. What is there in this topic of thermometry means thermometry is connected with scales and thermometers. Thermometry means mainly connected with the scales and thermometer, different types of scales. Scales means not our scales which are measuring the centimeters and meters, not those scales. Temperature measuring scales, temperature measuring scales. And thermometers, whenever you get fever, if you go to some hospital, the temperature what they use, Fahrenheit thermometer. Suppose in atmospheric pressure will be telling 40 degrees centigrade and 35 degrees centigrade, 20 degrees centigrade. Atmospheric pressure we are measuring in centigrades. So like that, for those thermometer, Celsius thermometer, like that, different types of thermometers will be there. So here, thermometry means mainly discuss about scales and thermometers. Now, here this topic is connected with heat. What is heat? It is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. It gives sensation of hotness. It gives sensation of hotness. It flows from hot body to cold body. Always heat flows from where to where? Hot body to cold body. Now, let us observe what is temperature. Temperature is nothing but which measures the degree of hotness of the body. Temperature is nothing but the measure of degree of hotness, how hot the body is. That measure of degree of hotness of the body is called as temperature. How much hot? Degree of hotness. Degree of hotness of the body is called, measuring the degree of hotness of the body is called temperature. Fine. Okay, heat and temperature, these terms we are very familiar. And generally scales means we are most commonly we used to observe Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, because where you observe the Celsius in our atmosphere temperature, that means whenever you put the weather reports in television, you will find weather report, they will be using to give the information today our city has temperature 20 degrees centigrade or 30 degrees centigrade. That means they are measuring atmospheric temperature, which weather forecast they are giving for us in television is in centigrade. If you go to hospital, Fahrenheit, that is 99 fever, they will tell 100 is your fever, 102 you have, 104, like that they are measuring with Fahrenheit. So this is about Fahrenheit is the body temperature, generally will be measuring with Fahrenheit, and Celsius means in centigrade. Kelvin, like that we have one more thing, Kelvin we do not with K. Reaumur we do not with degree a small r or degree RE, and sometimes even this Reaumur they are representing with degree capital R. Sometimes they are also representing with degree capital R also. Don't get confused, they will mention in the question what is that. So sometimes I found in problems with degree capital R, you must not get tensed. Actually for Rankine there's a one more scale called Rankine scale. For Rankine scale degree RA, degree RA, or they also wrote degree R, but generally Reaumur scale only they are giving degree R beta. Don't get confused. In some books the notation is like this. You no need to worry about the notation. They will mention in the question whenever you're doing some problem or some conceptual question you are doing, they will mention about that one. So Reaumur means sometimes they use degree R. Don't get tense. Degree R also they will take for Reaumur. General representation. This is what the things I gave it is general representation. Next, we'll see one by one all the scales now. So generally for any scale, it may be that is a low, that is a Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, Reaumur scale, Rankine scale. For any scale, the generalized formula is scale minus scale reading. This means scale means here scale reading minus lower fixed point. The reading what we are taking on the scale. Scale means here the reading what we are noting on that scale. Suppose 30 degrees centigrade. Like that we are noting something on the scale. So that value we are taking is taken as scale reading. LFP lower fixed point. UFP upper fixed point. So you are very clear. That means whenever you take any scale, the lower value is taken as, that means scale has two limits. One is lower limit, another one is upper limit. For suppose centigrade scale, if I take, lower limit is nothing but 0 degree centigrade, upper limit is 100 degree centigrade. That is, lower fixed point corresponds to melting. Upper fixed point corresponds to boiling. Upper fixed point corresponds to boiling. Lower fixed point corresponds to melting. The scale has two fixed points. One is lower, one is upper. That means from where it starts, the minimum value in that scale, we call it as not only centigrade scale. There is no rule that you have to take centigrade here. So the scale least value is called as lower fixed point, which we can measure. The maximum value we can measure with that one is called as upper fixed point for any scale. Okay, then. Now, so we notice scale minus LFP, lower fixed point, by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is constant. LFP, lower fixed point, UFP, upper fixed point. That means minimum value you can read in the scale, maximum value you can read in the scale. So that scale reading minus lower fixed point by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point for any scale, that value will be constant. That value will be constant. So here, number of divisions means how many number of divisions are there? So upper value minus lower value will give us total divisions. So total divisions on the scale, how many are there means simply you can write upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. Upper fixed point minus lower fixed point will give us total number of divisions on the scale. Now, let us see each scale separately. First one, Celsius scale. You have to note this one. Celsius scale means lower fixed point 0 degree centigrade, 100 degree centigrade upper fixed point. This is melting point of ice, boiling point, melting points and boiling points. Melting point generally corresponds to lower fixed and boiling point corresponds to upper fixed point. So if we say the term Celsius scale, the lower fixed point of the scale I am taking it as 0 degree centigrade, upper fixed point I am taking it as 100 degree centigrade. If they are asking number of divisions means upper minus lower, 100 minus 0, that's nothing but 100. This is about Celsius scale. Next, they are asking about what is Fahrenheit scale. So your Fahrenheit scale also lower fixed point. You have to remember this value. Lower fixed point 32 degree Fahrenheit. So whenever they are taking Fahrenheit scale, lower fixed point 32 degree Fahrenheit. That means I can say this 32 degree Fahrenheit is corresponds to what? 30 degree to Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit corresponds to 0 degree centigrade. That means 0 degree centigrade is equal to now what in Celsius scale? 0 degree centigrade and Fahrenheit 32 degree Fahrenheit are same. So this is also melting. This is boiling 212 degree Fahrenheit. 212 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale. 212 degree Fahrenheit what we are representing? That corresponds to 100 degree centigrade. 100 degree centigrade in Celsius scale. That is upper fixed point here. 100 degree centigrade means the same boiling point we write here in terms of Fahrenheit as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, fine. Here, what are number of divisions? Number of divisions are 212 minus 32. That is nothing but 180 divisions. Total number of divisions are 180 divisions we have. Fine, here 180 divisions we told and all those things. Now let us see the Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale, lower fixed point value 273.15 Kelvin. Remember, lower fixed point value 273.15 Kelvin. Kelvin. Upper fixed point 373.15 Kelvin. Number of divisions. Number of divisions means upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. So 373 minus 273 because 0.15 common. 373 minus 273 100. 0.15 cancels. So 373.15 minus 273.15 is 100. So in Kelvin scale also 100 divisions are there. In Celsius scale also 100 divisions are there. Just now we discussed Celsius scale, 100 are there. In Fahrenheit how many are there means in Fahrenheit scale we are having 180 divisions are there. Fahrenheit we are having 180 divisions. Again, in this Kelvin scale we are having 100 divisions. Kelvin scale also total divisions on scale is 100. Next, Rumor scale. Rumor scale, lower fixed point 0, upper fixed point 80, upper fixed point 80, lower fixed point 0, upper fixed point 80. So total number of divisions means upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. That is nothing but 80 divisions in Rumor scale. We have total 80 divisions on Rumor scale. We denote with RE. Sometimes they will give only R. Please don't get confused. They'll give sometimes only R. Only R they will give. They don't give E here. Simply they'll give R. You must not get tensed when they have given like that. According to the question, you observe in the question paper what scale they are mentioning and then decide. I hope you are clear. Number of divisions means 80 minus 0 is nothing but 8. This is Rumor scale. And next I am discussing about Rankine scale. Rankine scale. Here lower fixed point is 492 degree Rankine. Upper fixed point 672 degree Rankine. Number of divisions on the scale is 672 minus 492. Number of divisions on the scale is 672 minus 492. I hope you are clear with the number of divisions on the scale. 672 minus 492. How, sir? Because upper fixed point 672, lower fixed point 492. I told number of divisions are upper minus lower. 672 minus 492, 180. So, a number of divisions on Rankine scale. On Rankine scale means how many divisions are there? 672 minus 492. So, we have 180 divisions on Rankine scale. I hope you are clear with this one now. So where did we find again 180 divisions in under scale means in Fahrenheit scale. Observe carefully, in Fahrenheit scale also we found 180 divisions. And in here in Rankine scale also we are finding 180 divisions. Rankine and Fahrenheit, both the scales we are having 180 divisions. Next, last one, faulty scale. There is some error in the scale. They have given some error in the scale. Such type of error what we are taking, that scale we are calling as faulty scale. Faulty scale is a called simply error scale. Suppose they are generally what will take for 0 degrees centigrade for centigrade. Instead of that they have given 20 degrees. It is error. And instead of what they have given means some 80 degrees centigrade is upper fixed point and lower fixed point is 20 degrees centigrade. This is a called error scale. Error scale. They have given wrong values in lower fixed and upper fixed point value. Such scale we call it as error scale. That is a faulty scale. So this a lower fixed point in this faulty scale we denote with X. Upper fixed point we denote with Y. It can be anything according to situation. And the scale reading we denote with Z. The scale reading we denote with Z. Whatever the reading you are taking on that scale of faulty, we call it as Z. Lower fixed point is denoted by X, upper fixed point is denoted by Y, and how many number of divisions means? Number of divisions formula fixed, upper minus lower. So upper minus lower means Y minus X. This is the formula for number of divisions. I hope you are clear till here. These are the things what we have to learn